If you receive this package in the mail, this has 3 spacer O-rings for your docking station. Also, this package has an instruction manual on how to install the O-rings. And then the 3 O-rings. So if you see the USB ports on your docking station, you want to take these O-rings and slip it around the USB port and then push it all the way down to the bottom, and do that for each USB. As you see, you want to make sure they're all at the bottom. So now you can take your Wolfcom Vision and dock it and feel the cushion and actually make it more secure and help the longevity of your USB port.